The Airbus A400M. In operation by 6 air forces. More than 80 aircrafts in service. More than 55,000 flight hours. Global reach for humanitarian and military missions in all environments. Key support from A400M users to promotion activities.
My heart beats for A400M because it's an amazing aircraft.
For me, it's another synonym for performance and agility.
I'm very proud to be part of the team who has achieved this milestone.
The key is the people who support the program.
I feel really motivated and really proud participating in this big journey.
We are a great team, and to achieve MSN 100 means that we are doing great, and we have to be proud of it.
It's a fascinating challenge, and of course, I really feel proud of being part of the family that makes it possible.
It's all about passion and teamwork.
The team is eager to go forward. It's very motivated to do the next steps in order to be more efficient.
Our team is very proud to be part of this program, and we look forward to start working on MSN 200.
It's so overwhelming when you see this big aircraft in the air.
It's a fantastic achievement of the team, and I can only appreciate what the team has done here. Absolutely fantastic, outstanding.
Hello, my name is David Gomez Esteban and I'm the production manager for A400M flightline in Seville. Today we are in the cockpit of A400M MSN 100 and we are going to do the first flight. The first flight is the most important and crucial point in the production step because it's the final milestone after a work that has been done during months in final assembly line. We are using digital control rooms, we are using one single flow, we are using digital PPS, we are using tablets in order to do the work. And the next steps we want to do is digital bar chart, we want to go for remote support via the tablets, and also we want to use the HoloLens in order to do the work in the aircraft easily. A400M for me and for a lot of colleagues is something quite special. This is the place where I have worked for all my career, and I feel quite special when I see the aircraft flying over my head when my son and my daughter. I tell them, this is my aircraft.
Hi, I'm Miguel Viana. I'm the production manager for the painting and sealing operations here at the FAL of the A400M in Seville. Here's where we paint the A400M. Actually, we are painting the MSN 100 for the German Air Force. The key to this production step is the pre-painting operations. We use many digital tools. Our inspectors use digital tablets where they register all the small non-conformities or non-conformities, and they have a follow-up using these devices. We embrace digital initiatives such as Digital Panel, where we review every day all the information that we need in order to guarantee that we deliver the painted aircraft on cost, on time, on quality. I love challenges, and this is a beautiful one. I'm really proud to celebrate that we are painting the MSN 100.
My name is Romanuel González, here for the Station 35 in the FAL of A400M in São Paulo, Seville. In Station 35, the integrated wiring of the aircraft is tested and verified. We test all electrical systems, communication and navigation systems, pneumatic and hydraulic too. To carry out all these tests, we use the most modern functional digital test systems that combine the use of the functionalities of the aircraft systems with simulation and data acquisition means. It's a pride for me to have participated from the beginning in the manufacturing of such a spectacular aircraft, and to have also been surrounded by an excellent technical and human team.
Hello, my name is Juan José López. I'm head of data loading workshop at São Paulo site in Seville. The most crucial steps at data loading workshop is to upload software into equipment according to capabilities of the aircraft. It provides support from first power on at airframe area to transfer of title at delivery center. In data loading workshop has occurred a big change from cybersecurity point of view. Several digital tools are used along the industrial processes like automated system for uploading, the most advanced application for software verification, and specific antivirus, in order to check not only the integrity of data, but also the absence of virus and malware. For me, A400M represents the hard work and a good work of many people with a passion for aeronautics. We are a big family and very proud to be part of it.
Hi, I'm Carlos Gala, the responsible of the Station 20 at Airbus A400M. In this station is where we perform the power plant installation, composed by 4 engines, propeller, system, and nacelle. In addition, and in parallel with this assembly, other blue collar install the APU, the lavatory, the cockpit equipment, and the furnishing. And other team start to perform some system tests inside the aircraft. The most important step is the torque of the bolts and free up the elements from the tooling transport. But the most crucial is the awareness of the staff in FOD. After 1 year of work, we introduce a system to position the placard inside the cargo. With this system called Samba laser, we project a laser inside the cargo in order to fix the placard in the correct position. After this job, we improve the time installation and we reduce the failure of the positions. I have been in this program from the first aircraft. I have seen the A400M born, grow up and mature. I am proud of it.
Hello, my name is Marta Rincon and I am the process leader of Station 30 in the A400M final assembly line. MSN 100 is right now in the first outdoor station of the FAO. This is where the tests are done that cannot be carried out indoors for safety reasons. The flight clearance tests are also completed here since they require real operating conditions of an aircraft. For example, fuel or communications in the first case and navigation or flight controls in the second one. The maximum challenge of this station is to ensure that the aircraft is perfectly finished in cost and quality, but above all, that it is completely safe to start operating it by the crew and the final customer. In this station, we have experienced a great change, having digitized most, if not all, of our daily management routines, such as SQCDP or performance tracker. In addition, we go even further with the use of local tools, such as ALT for overlap and shift change, or one single flow for improvements in manufacturing documentation. Our team is very proud to be part of this program, and we look forward to start working on MSN 200.
the arrival of the A400 in 2013, the first aircraft, as we were the launch customer for the A400, was quite a revolution because we've not only increased our capability, we've just completely renewed the way we operate tactical transport aircraft in France and in operations. French Air Force is quite involved in operations in the Middle East and in Africa. That's why the A400 is so important and so paramount for us to operate. Right now, what we can do is fly logistic missions. We can fly to unpaved runways with a minimum level of threat. We will increase these capabilities, facing higher level of threats, facing higher difficulties. The A400 for pilots is a brilliant aircraft because it's so easy to fly, so enjoyable to fly. The fly-by-wire is just amazing. The power of the engines is brilliant so that we can take off in very short distances, land in very short distances too. So this aircraft brings lots of pleasure to fly. Trying to explain what we can do with the aircraft, what we expect from the aircraft, but so far so good. We trust that at the end the aircraft will be a great success.
A400M to really improve our capability in terms of strategic and also tactical. Because the aircraft is bigger, the performance also better, can carry more payloads now and heavy machineries, and we can fly longer distance and faster. So currently we are focusing using the A400M for the logistic role, bringing the packs, the passengers and also the cargo, especially the heavy cargo. We embarked into air-to-air refueling capability. We feel very satisfied because with this aircraft, we're able to perform the mission successfully and safely. So in terms of fleet availability, to get the result of 31 days, 100% fleet availability, so it needs really commitment, high commitment and also sacrifice, so that the aircraft will be available at all time for the operation, also for the training, for the crew.
The A400 is a big jump for the Spanish Air Force because that means that we will be able to reach further destinations to provide support to our Air Force, our deployments and the rest of the Air Forces. And we will serve in a better way to our nation in their international commitments. And the end number for our fleet will be 14 aircraft. At the moment we are using the A400 for logistic missions. That means that we are supporting the present deployment of our armed forces. So we are covering Africa, we are covering the Middle East, the north of Africa as well. We are providing support to our deployment in Italy. And of course we are supporting training exercises that we are taking part as NATO members. Well, for sure the A400 is a great platform, but we have to improve our capabilities. So we have started not only with the logistics, we have started with the medevac. This is a success case without any doubt.